here today with another unboxing for Thompson. Today I have the CacheAlaska trucker hat. Flat brim Alaska cap with snapback buckle. This is for men or women, and it's in the color gray. As you can see, there's the brand logo right there. And this is what the back of the hat looks like. There's the snapback buckle right there. All the information for where I got this will be listed down below. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and you'll know when I post a new video. If you have any questions, leave them down below where you can comment. Or you may comment to any of my social media links or email addresses listed below.